guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I'm going to make Bhapa Pitha. For that, here I've taken rice which I've soaked in water for 5 to 6 hours. Now we will dry our rice. For that, here I've taken a cotton handkerchief. In that I have spread eventually the rice. At top of that, add another handkerchief. This will take at least 1 hour to dry the rice completely. After 1 hour, you can notice our rice has been dried completely. Now we will grind it and make a fine powder out of it. Now let's strain the rice flour and remove the large granules of the rice. You can notice some of our rice has not grind properly. We will again grind it. You can notice our rice flour is ready. Now in that I will add a bit of milk and make a crumbs texture of it with. Type of texture we need. Now here I have taken jaggery or gur, chopped cashew nuts and grated coconut. Now take a flat bowl or any type of bowl as your choice. Now add a layer of our rice. In that add some gur or jaggery. Grated coconut, cashew nut. Coat it with the rice flour. Both the side. Break. Sling cloth or a handkerchief. And now put this in a steamer and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. So here we go, our Bhapa Pitha is ready to serve.